Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add another account to your Monzo app so you can manage all your money in one place. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Next, go to the home page, scroll down until you see the account section. Tap on Add another account. Follow the on-screen steps to link your other bank account securely. Monzo will guide you through connecting it. Once that's done, your other account will appear inside Monzo, letting you see your balances and transactions all in one place. And that's it. That's how to add another account to your Monzo app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.